Welcome. I want to show you how easy it is to bill hundreds or thousands of invoices into Sage Line 50 using our Sage connector. Sage connector, it's available from our website. You can download it here. And I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration. So I've got Sage here. If you look at Sage, I'm just going to show you we haven't got a customer A123, which is what I'm going to create and upload against. We have some spreadsheet files. We've got 3 of them. We've got a product file where we're just defining this is how they work. The first line's got the field names, and then we've just got some values in for product to create the new products. We've got the same for customer and the same for transaction. So if I look at the application, it's all been configured and it shows my 3 files there. By the way, it'll process them in the sequence of the suffix that it's got there, so we want to create the products and the customers before the transactions. If we look, there's a lot of fields that you can specify, but you don't have to specify them all. So the minimum in this case for the product is the product itself and the name, but we could also define the price and currency and other fields if we wanted to. For the customer, you see here we've got customer A123 that is going to create. We've got the address, which is separated with little bars, and we've got the phone numbers and so on and other fields. So you can easily create these files. They're just CSV files, or you can maintain them yourself in Excel. The transaction one's a bit more complicated because actually it can handle thousands of invoices, and it can handle quotations, orders, purchase orders, and so on. Even credit notes. So as a minimum, normally this one is just going to create 3 items. They're all going to be invoices. We've given them a date, and it's the same date all the way through, and we've given them a unit price and a quantity and some units and a sequence at the end here. And you see in the first one we've put in the address and the delivery address, and that's how we managed to keep the file structure quite simple. So to run it, I can show you a status window here. I can just press process, and it's going to process the files through, and you'll see here it's added invoice 211 into the system. It's added customer 123 into the system, and it's been through looking at all the products and so on. So if we pop into Sage now, we'll be able to see it. So if we just refresh the accounts, we can see that 123 has been added in there. It's got the address all broken down, it's got the email and so on from that file that we pushed in. And if we look at the invoices, look at invoice 211, it's created invoice 211 for us with the delivery address, the address that we put in, and so on. We could even, if we put them in the file, we could specify the payment. So that would actually post all the way through into the whole system. So really, that's it. So we have spreadsheets, which can be simple or complex, that contain new customers, new products, and transactions, and then we simply push them into a folder and process them all through. And if you're linking from external systems, that can come through from an FTP server. There's no limit on the numbers you can produce. You can produce hundreds, thousands of invoices. It's great for interfacing with direct debit and with all our other products as well. So please feel free to try out the evaluation, which will work on accounts that begin A to C, and get in touch. Thank you.